Hi everyone, today I will show you how to update the firmware of the Audi Q7 2013, and it's good up to 2012 to 2014 or 15 as well. And I change it in like it's a difficult steps to do it. So if you feel comfortable to do it, I did it by myself because I talked to the dealership. They gave me a code of $700 to change it, and I found these software online, and it cost me $200. But right now I'm just uploading this one for free. Like whoever needs it, go for it. I installed it on my two. I have two Audi Q7. I have installed update the maps on my both of them. So it's up to you guys. You guys want to do it or not? And if you guys break your software or your system, it's not up to me because I'm just giving it for free and I'm just making videos, and I will suggest you guys to watch some more videos to before upload it. You guys need it because it's a little bit complicated to install. So right now I have to use this device OBD11, and I'm gonna connect this one to activate the green mode on my vehicle. Normally green mode is blocked by the manufacturer, so because you can change so many things into it, so that's why probably they block it, because nobody can corrupt or delete things by mistake. So this is the most people want to do these ones, update the software with the memory cards, but I don't suggest that because it's very easy to corrupt the memory card rather than the USBs. So I bought these 32 GB USB because you need 32. If you go above 32, you're unable to install it because the file format is different. Its bit format is different for 64 GB. For 32 GB is 16-bit, and if you try to do it on, I try to do it with 64, it doesn't work. So 32 or lower than that will work for it. So this is the firmware. I copy firmware on this one, and on this one I copy the maps, which I will upload them on the G drive, and I will share the link with you guys. And this is the validation key. After installing the firmware and after installing the maps, then you have to activate the maps. So for this is the activation. This USB has activation key in it, so I will make the folders regarding to these ones and upload these ones. And just make sure when you install copy software from your computer, and just use the computer, Windows computer, not the MacBook doesn't work on it. So just use the Windows, because when you transfer files from Mac to your USB, it creates some Windows files, MacBook files, so it doesn't work with the, it's only compatible only with the Windows. So when you install, copy paste the files from folder firmware folder to the USB, just make sure you don't create any folders into it. Just copy as it is all the files to the USB, and then try to update the system. So I'm gonna cut the videos over here. I'm gonna plug the USB OBD in, and I'll also show you why we need the OBD and why we need green menu and the red menu. Okay, before starting to install the firmware, update the firmware and the maps, you need to know there are two modes in your vehicle. One is the green mode and one is the red mode. Red mode is the engineering mode, and the green mode is the developer mode. You can unlock few things over there, but I suggest that only just do the particular things which I show you, nothing more than that, because it's a high chance you're gonna make mess or screw up something. It's up to you guys, but my job is to show you how to do it. So for using the USB, I have the USB connectors. I bought this one from Amazon. I think it's $15, $20 something. I bought it from Amazon, and so I'm gonna connect this one over there to connected. And okay, so to activate the green mode, the reason of to activate the green mode is, I will show you over here. And this is how you can go into red mode and green mode. If you're going in red mode, to enter to the red mode, just make sure you press the radio. It's on radio, and now you're gonna press car and back button together like this. You will see the red mode, the engineering mode is activated now. So reason is to activate the green mode, because if I'm gonna connect the USB over here, you will see it will read it, and now I can click. I'm gonna use this buttons for workout over here, so I'm gonna click bottom right to update and select USB. So it's gonna read over here, and you can see it shows me this is the file to update it. And as soon as I click that one, so I need to go into user-defined mode. I can't go without green mode to user-defined mode. So entering to the user-defined mode, I have to activate the green mode. So I'm gonna come back from the red mode. Coming back from red mode is, again, you're gonna press car and back button together like this. I think it doesn't work this time, so I'm gonna press car and back button like this. It backs radio now. So that's how you enter to the red mode and come out from the red mode. This is the important thing as well. And now I'm going to show you how to enter to the green mode. So right now on my vehicle the green mode is activated, but on the most vehicle it's not activated. To activate the green mode, I'm gonna use OBD11. You guys can see over here, this is how you can update the green mode. So on OBD11 I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to my menu. It's gonna go to that sidebar. It's just to car. After going to the car, go to apps. After going apps, goes to engineering menu 3G plus. So over here, you go over here, and it's on my car right now. But if it's off, then you have to activate this one and push start to activate it. That's how you're gonna activate the green mode on your vehicle. So after activating the green mode, I will show you how to enter to the green mode in your vehicle. So same, you will be on radio, and after that you have to press car and menu button together. So car and menu together, and you will see it will take me to the green mode. So when I go to the green mode, I have to find one file, this one, SWDL. So I go into that one. So when I go into that one, I have to select this user defined mode. Then I'm gonna come out from it. Coming out from it is pretty simple. Just press radio, you will come out from it. Just press radio, I'll come out from it. So I'm entering to the red mode again with car and back button. So I'm entering to the, so you see I have same menu over here. Go to update, USB, that's the software, and you can see now there I have the option for the user defined mode. So when you enter the user defined mode, you can pick whatever you need to install. Right now in my case it's just the firmware, and I don't have to install right now because everything is updated. So just start it. So that's what you have to do for update the firmware, and once you reach to this point, just start updating. It will update the firmware. And now I will show you when you have to, after installing the firmware, you have to update the maps. For updating the maps, you have to delete the hard drive on the vehicle, and that you can format your hard drive with the green menu. After doing that, your maps will be deleted from your vehicle. So it's up to you guys. You guys want to do it or not? So I did that. It works for me. It works for me both vehicles, and I'm happy with that. So that's how I did. So now I'm going back to the green menu, both together to exit the engineering mode, and hit car and menu again to enter to the green menu. When I enter to the green menu, I have to go into nav. There you go. And database, and after that I have to delete the database. Click that one, delete it. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to delete my data. So delete that, and after that it will tell you to restart your after 30 seconds you have to after doing this you have to restart your MMI again. I will show you how to do that. So when you restart the MMI system, then you go back to this menu again, and then after deleting the database, after that you have to delete this bottom one, delete nav HDD partitions. So you have to delete both of them, and after that you have to go back, go to green menu again, and activate SWDL. Sorry, one more time back. Go back again, SWDL, and then select user defined mode again, and then you have to start installing your navigations. So that's pretty much it for it, and I will show you how to restart your MMI. So to restart the MMI, it's the menu button, and the cursor center button, and this top right one. See, you just need to just like press all these three buttons and then release it. It will restart it. That's how you can reset your MMI. Just need to press menu, center cursor button, center cursor, and this one. These three buttons you have to press and release. Your MMI system will be restored. You just need these ones when you're deleting the partition and deleting the current navigations on your vehicle in the green menu. And after that you have to click on the user defined mode, and then you go to engineering mode and start updating your maps as well. Once you install the map and you didn't activate the maps, your maps will be updated. They will run for a while, but after that it will shut down. It will give you error that no maps on your vehicle. So to activating the maps, start your vehicle, wait for all the system kicks in, and when everything start up, all the systems are working, all the menus are working proper. After that you can plug in your validation key to a USB and just give 30 seconds. It will activate it will just do its thing. It doesn't give you any message that it's activated or not, but just after 30 seconds, like, it will activate your maps. That's how I did on my vehicle. But again, I'm saying that it's totally your decision to do it. I have nothing. I'm not making any money from this video, and I'm not selling this software. It's all up to you guys. I use the software, and I suggest to one of the group on the Facebook that I have it. If you guys want it, I can give it to you guys. And some of the friends, they asked for it, and I'm just gonna share this software to them. That's pretty much it. And if you still want, but still, like, if you buy this software from somebody, they will gonna give you same thing. It's gonna be same thing. You have to delete the things, and then you have to restart it. So it's a risk, but it's, sometimes you have to take risk, right? So that's all good. So thank you for this video, and if you like it, just like the video. Thank you.